y'all. As you can see, we're in the Undeezy. Gonna go and take some pictures of these clothes. Got the shirts with me right now. Finna go and take some product pictures real quick. Just keep y'all updated on the process. So far, I done posted one TikTok based on these shirts. I just posted me basically just like showing everybody the design. But yeah, I'm trying to stay consistent with it. So today we're gonna go ahead and take some product pictures just so I can post. I sent my vendor this and he sent me this type of video on TikTok, IG. So we're gonna go ahead and take these product pictures and just get pictures of all the shirts, period, just so we can have them for the website and everything. But yeah, all right. Got the shirts. As you can see, I'm by this empty parking lot. The ground that they have on here, it looks real smooth. I ain't ever did product pictures on a surface like this before, so I'm trying to try it out for the first time. But it's hella cars just sitting. Hold on, let me see if y'all can see it. See, it's just cars sitting up. I'm at the levee, bro. Y'all know what the levee is. It's basically like, it's the Mississippi River, bro. So we're finna get out here and do this shit. They ain't gonna whoop my ass. So, you know what I'm saying? I might end up recording when I go to the gym, because I'm finna go to the gym straight after this so I can go ahead and get everything done for the day. Because right now, along with me making this video, I'm editing and still doing the previous video that y'all gonna see, which is the trying Michael B. Jordan workout for 1 week. That shit killed my ass. Besides the point. But yeah, I'm doing all that today so I can post that video tomorrow and then post this video either Sunday or Monday. So, I'm gonna go ahead and get this done. It shouldn't take me too long to get product pictures. I'm gonna just set y'all up on the tripod. I gotta get this, set y'all up. I'm gonna be back with y'all when we taking the pictures. But yeah, so it might be hard to hear me, so 9 out of 10, I'm just gonna put some background music and then just go through the process.
E4, this shit exclusive. Yeah, bro. The wind is so, bro, the wind is so fucking high right now, bro. It was not just doing this shit, I swear to God. As soon as I want to take some pictures, of course, I want to be windy. Like, wait, come on, man. Alright, bro, we done with this shit. There's so many folks out here now, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and take my ass to the gym. Bring y'all with me. Catch y'all when we get to the gym.
Alright, y'all, we just got out of the gym. Just a straight workout. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't did a full back workout like that in a good little minute, cause when I got back in the gym, the first thing I did was that Michael B. Jordan challenge. So this is my first real week just working out with my workout, and that shit felt good. I ain't gonna even lie. But this is probably gonna be the end of the video. If y'all don't see no other clips past this, just know I went home, ate, started editing videos, bro. Simple as that. But if this is the end of the video, you already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know any video ideas y'all want to see me try. That's pretty much it, though. You already know how we get down. If anybody told you today, I love you, my nigga. We out.